Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL exchange-traded fund? In this video, we will delve into the details of SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has recognized SOXL as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.03. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 0.47%. This equates to an average return of 0.16% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. If there is a breakout above the upper trend line at $20.42, it will initially suggest a slower decline and may serve as the first indication of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of negative 3.31% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between negative 60.70% and positive 2.96%. Taking a longer view, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 77.65%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 86.53% over the next year. In practical terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $0 and $2.58. Our latest daily update for SOXL features the headline, SOXL ETF upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after the Friday trading session. The SOXL ETF price increased by 1.97% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of June, 2025. It rose from $18.81 to $19.18. During the trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 4.18%, with a day low at $19.15 and a day high of $19.95. The price has appreciated in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 16.17% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 71 million shares, with a total of 113 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.17 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price is 72.63% or $50.90 below the 52-week high and 94.93% or $359.06 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x shares, known as SOXL, has been facing significant pressure, plummeting from $69.42 last July to a mere $17 today. This drastic drop has erased billions in market value amid ongoing concerns regarding the semiconductor sector, particularly influenced by developments in the artificial intelligence industry. However, recent reports highlight a potential turnaround for SOXL. The exchange-traded fund has gained traction as one of the top-performing leveraged funds, thanks to shifts in market sentiment and a possible fall in United States-China trade relations. This uptick comes as technology giants rally, resulting in increased investor interest in leveraged exchange-traded funds like SOXL, which are designed to amplify returns. In the short term, SOXL could see increased volatility driven by its leveraged nature and the prevailing market sentiments surrounding technology stocks. The recent focus on changes in tariff negotiations, particularly involving Taiwan Semiconductor's collaboration with the United States, adds a layer of complexity that could bolster SOXL's appeal. In the long term, if positive trends in the semiconductor industry continue, combined with a resolution to trade disputes, SOXL may stabilize or even rebound significantly. The fund's performance will largely depend on macroeconomic conditions and developments within the semiconductor sector, positioning it as a potentially valuable asset for both risk-tolerant investors and those looking to capitalize on recovery in this volatile market. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, offering a positive outlook for the fund. Additionally, a general buy signal is present due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. During potential downward corrections, support is expected at $17.95 and $15.05. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, resulting in a rise of 132.48% thus far. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during a last trading day, even with rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF warrants close attention. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 42 days ago. Bollinger analysis points to a buy signal from 118 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average shows a buy signal from 32 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 75 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 210 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $18.30. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this fund is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by 80 cents between its highest and lowest prices, which represents a change of 4.18%. In the last week, the ETF has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 7.17%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $19.80. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $18.30. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.52, reflecting a decline of 3.42%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 41 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? Despite being in a declining trend, several short-term indicators are positive. We believe the current level presents a potential buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the ETF to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate, after examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day. Our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued, For trading on Monday, the 9th of June, we anticipate that SOXL will open higher by approximately 247 cents, starting at $19.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.